Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust text size on Windows 11. So if you're struggling with text that looks too small or too big on your Windows 11 PC, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can adjust the text size on Windows 11 to make your screen easier to read and more comfortable to use. So what you need to do is just go to the settings on your PC and here click on this accessibility, and then you'll find the text size options in here. So here the text size, you can adjust the size of the text that appears throughout Windows and your apps. So click on it, and here is the current text size on my PC. So the size of this word will change as you adjust this slider. So this will be the preview. Changes you make here will apply to most of the text on your device. So if you want to make it bigger, you can just slide to the right like this, and it will become the size that you adjust in here. You can slide to the left to make it small or right to make it bigger. And to apply it to your PC, you can just tap on this apply button. And as soon as you do that, the text will be changed immediately. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.